The next one is for about as far away from here as you can get. It's Anne Clarke with Splay Fittit Sam. Now, Anne's accent, some of you might not ken, but she bides away to the east in Goshen. She used to bide in
Goshen. This poem, Splay Fittit Sam, was written by Jean Barker, and it was written in English, but I've changed it into Scots. And at the bottom of it, we've all to recall the lighter side of wartime. Green's Playhouse, the Pally, and that elitist venue, the Plaza. Right? How distance lends enchantment to the view, which is true. This is Splay Fittit Sam. He was nurtured in the warriors on powdered eggs and spam, and was known to all his comrades as Big Splay Fittit Sam. Now Sam had an ambition, just to dance like Fred Astaire. He had seen him at the movies, looking gay and debonair. So he oiled his hair with bottle cream, sprayed his oxters with cologne, and he powdered all the places where the sun had never shone. His army boots were gleaming, and his drain pipes nearly new, but no matter what the time of day, Sam's feet said 10 to 2. He was hoping that his partner would just overlook his faults, as he led her most sedately in a sweet old-fashioned waltz. But the band was playing loudly, and he didn't hear her groans, as his size 12 army issue crushed her metatarsal bones. The adrenaline was flowing, Sam was feeling really good, but it led to his undoing when the band played In the Mood. He would execute a quick step, he'd practiced for a week, but he flared a loving couple who were dancing cheek to cheek. Then a sailor cried a dreadful oath, a word I can't repeat, as his ankles came in contact with Sam's wildly flailing feet. In an instant there was chaos. It was like a rugby scrum, as a well-proportioned lady landed squarely on her bum. Next, a 6-foot sergeant major had a short, exciting trip. He sustained a compound fracture and a dislocated hip. Sam went sneaking sadly to the bar to try and drown his shame, while bouncers came and carried off the wounded and the lame. There are men the day was immers who remember with alarm the night of their encounter with Big Splay Fittit Sam.
That's the first time I've heard that one. We didn't do the same thing every time we do it because we get bored with ourselves.